Today on this video I'm going to be showing you a new coin which you can claim, and it's going to generate you up to $150 if you follow the step by step, because I have made many videos on this channel talking about how you can claim coins and make over $100, but I received many comments that they are not working for them. And I think the reason why it's not working for them is just you are not following the steps of the video. So guys, stay tuned on this video, and if you follow the step, you are going to get whatever you want from this particular coin if you follow step by step of this video. So if it is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to click on the red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So right now I'm on my Trustwallet. All you need to do is to click on your dApps. When you click on the dApps, just click on the search bar, okay? And you need to go to my Telegram channel so that you can copy this airdrop link from my Telegram channel. So I will just need to go to my Telegram channel right now. As you can see, the token in which I'm talking about is called Reboot token. If you have been following cryptocurrency, you will know what Reboot token is. So they are currently on airdrop now, and the most interesting part of it is that they are giving you 40% of whatever friends you make to this platform to claim the airdrop. That is where you get your money from. But most guys didn't follow the step by step of the video. That is why they always comment in my comment section. They don't get the result. So follow the step of this video to the end. All you need to do now, just copy this link here. Copy the link. After copying the link, you need to go back to your Trustwallet. Okay, right now you're back on your Trustwallet. All you need to do is to paste in the link you copy from the Telegram channel and click on search. Now it's going to request you should solve a CAPTCHA, which I know everyone can do right there. Right now the CAPTCHA is verified. All you need to do now is to click on this section that says get link. When you click on the get link, it's going direct to the website right now, and you need to change this Ethereum icon here. You need to change it to Smart Chain. All right, we have connected to our wallet, so you can see this airdrop pre-sale is going on, and after the pre-sale it will be listed on PancakeSwap and Hotbit. So, and it has 50 days to be listed. So all you need to do to get that particular token and money, which is $150, which I talked about, is for you to claim the airdrop, put in your smart chain address right here, and then generate your link and share it with your friends, or share it with people, or share it on any platform in which you know you can refer people from. Just share it with them, and whenever they claim, you're going to get 40% of the BNB which they claim with. Or if they prefer buying the coin, they can buy the coin. You're going to get 40% of it. If you want to know more about the airdrop, you can just go to the home section right here. When you go to the home section, you will know more about this airdrop. This is just the interface of the airdrop, just to claim the airdrop. To make this video quick, so all you need to do now is to click on claim. Okay, and you can see we are claiming this airdrop with just a total of 80 cents, because you know the Binance Smart Chain is really down on the market right now. That is why it's so low this way. We are claiming it with 80 cents. All you need to do is to click on approved. After you click on approve, it will take you back to the home page like this, and the token has already been sent to your wallet. Before I leave, you need to go back. After claiming the airdrop, you need to go back to your smart chain, copy the address, remove this one right here, paste in your own and generate the link. After that, copy the link and share with your friends. You will get the result you're looking for. Guys, just follow step of this video. Then you need to go back to your wallet, and then you click on these two icons at the top right hand side. Just scroll down till you find add custom token and change this Ethereum network here to Smart Chain. After that, you need to go back to my Telegram channel and copy the contract address. After copying the contract address, you just need to go back to the Trustwallet and then paste it right here. You can see for confirmation the name is Shribo token, the symbol is Shribo in capital letters, and just need to click on done. Okay, right now you can see I have over 800 million Rebo token right here on my wallet, which I received 200 Rebo token, but right now I'm having 800 just because I've referred my friends and I've get commission just for claiming that particular coin, holding it on my wallet. I've get commission from that. That's why you can see I still have $150 right here, despite that the coin is very low for now. I still have up to $150 right on my wallet. So guys, that's just how you can get this result if you follow the step of this video. So if this is the first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to click on the red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Peace out.